Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can translate your video. Use the video translator in CapCut. All you have to do now, you can open CapCut PC version. And here we go. You notice there is a video translator here. If you don't have this feature, you can try to update your CapCut into the latest version. So you can click video translator now. Drag or drop your video here, or just simply click plus. So here you can try to choose the output and translate to English, Chinese or Spanish, Indonesian, Japanese, Portuguese or Brazil. So this is a limited language. For example, if you want to change your native language into the English one, just simply click English. And if your video have a person, you can try to turn this on. This is the lip sync feature. If you can turn off this lip syncs if there is no face in your video. So just simply click translate, and here we go. There is a notice. This feature is intended for entertainment purposes only and may not always provide appropriate, unique or relevant suggestions for nuances topics. So you can learn about this and check this button or check this box. By using this feature, you agree to comply with the terms of service, CapCut privacy policy, and any applicable laws and regulations. Simply click allow and wait the process. Translation will take about 6 minutes. You can click go back and view the progress in the recent task. So here, after the media translated by CapCut, you can click download your media and see the result. So here, if you want to change your video, you can try to begin from the start. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so contact button below. See you in the next video.